Hello everyone, this is Rishi Rishabh Jain and welcome to my channel Bhilwara CA Gurukul. We are in between online mentoring program for CA final students November 2020 attempt. Today is day 7 and we are studying audit and FR in 2 slots, FR of 7 hours and audit of 5 hours. Hope you are following that slot only and slightly improved your efficiency. Hope you these videos, this series of videos are actually helping you, and if not, then you can contact me, you can give your suggestions. I am open for suggestions. So without wasting your time, let's start with the video. Today's video is important from two perspectives. One is that we are going to discuss the overall overall preparation strategy, which we are going to update today because there are few changes in the syllabus as announced by ICI. Secondly, we are going to start standards on auditing in audit subjects, so that also how we have to proceed further, because the standards on auditing is a very vast topic and which we have to complete in a very small amount of time, so say in 4 or 5 slots. So we are going to discuss that also. So today's video is important, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rishi Rishabh Jain. So up to 5 days we have decided what we were supposed to complete. We were supposed to complete Ind AS 8 Ind AS of section 3, and today we are going to end section. Then we were supposed to study Ind AS 19, 37 and 41, which was end of section 3. So now we are going to start with section 4. Although there is not much difference in section 3 and section 4, there is just that the Ind AS ICI has divided all the Ind AS in two parts, 3 and 4. We don't have any differences. So what we were going to study on day 7 of our slot of FR is on 19th of August. These two Ind AS we are going to study. Ind AS 12 and Ind AS 12 and Ind AS 21, that is taxes and foreign currency. Sir, these are two big Ind AS. I know these are two big Ind AS and it might take some time, but I can tell you that in compiler there are around 12 questions only. So 12 questions taken, read at standard efficiency of 15 minutes. You can do it around 10 to 15 minutes, that is around 2 hours for taxes, 1 plus 2, same way for foreign currency, 1 plus 2. So this is 3 hours topic. This is also less than 3 hours topic, so I am giving it here as 2.5 hours, okay, and half hour for lecture. So this is around 6 to 7 hours today's lecture, today's study slot. Okay, so coming back here, day 7 of FR, we are going to study Ind AS 12 and 21 with around 12 questions in each segment, in each Ind AS. Okay, this will take around 6 to 7 hours only, so we have little spare time left here in from FR topic, so that we are going to devote in audit. So now coming back to the first important aspect of this video, which I announced you today that this video is important now because of these two reasons. Before that, talking about overall preparation strategy, we told that we will complete FR in 120 hours. We are still intact on that. SFM we are going to cover in 130 hours, that's okay. Audit, we told you now that it will take around 100 hours. We have to stretch a little bit. Why? I'll tell you why. Law we haven't started yet, so law is as it is now. But FR, yeah, I was giving you the overall brief na ki how we are going to study. So this we have started with FR and audit na. So if you don't get what my topic is, then what my suggestion you is, we are going to cover these before 31st of August. Okay, and then we will start with SFM and law, which we will cover before 18th of September. Why 18th of September? I will give you the calculation. Law we will again take in 100 hours, that is basically 16 to 18 slots of 5 hours each, and SFM will be around 15 slots, 16 slots of 7 hours each. Okay, 16 into 7, where's my calculator please? 16 into 7, that is around 112 hours. Okay, so that is roughly our 130 hours target. Okay, some few hours for revision. Law, if we are talking about law now, then it will be around 16 hours of 16 slots of 5 hours each, so that is around 16 into 5, 80 I guess. Yes, it is 80. So it will take around 16 days. But what we will do, that before starting with these two subjects, we will revise the audit subject again. So I will give you that slot for revising the entire audit again, like not all the each and every topic, but we will revise standards and we will revise the company audit and the main chapters part. Okay, so this FR and audit we are going to complete by 31st of August. Then after revising audit, we will complete law and SFM by 18th of September. And then, like, we have this time na, AMA, DT and IDT. So what we are doing for DT is we will take 12.5 slots of 7 hours. Same way for DT, 12.5 slots of 7 hours. So this is, I guess, 12.5 into 7 is 87.5. One second. I got it wrong. What we are going to do is we are going to take 12 slots of 7.5 hours, same way 12 slots of 7.5 hours. Okay, so this is intact. Okay, and what we are going to do for AMA is we will take 24 slots of how many hours? Like we have limit now of studying every day, so 7.5 hours we are giving for DT, so we have around 5 to 6 hours for AMA. So 24 into 5 is exactly 120 hours. So this is 120 hours, this is 90 hours, and this is also 90 hours. Okay, so this is what we will do. We will take AMA plus DT, and then again AMA plus IDT. So for 12 days, and then again for 12 days. I think the nib is not responding much. So by 24, I'll take it as 25 days. Okay, I will take it as 25 days. So after 18th of August, after 18th of September na, which we wrote it here. So after 18th of September, we have around 25 days. That is roughly, after 18th September, we will again revise law. So 2 days for law revision. So we have 20th September. So now 20th September plus 25 days, we are done with the entire FR, audit, law, SFM, AMA, DT and IDT, all 7 subjects by the time of 15th of October. Okay, so now we have exclusive 16 days left. In that we will study FR for 4 days. We have around 16 days left. Yes, 16 days. In that we will study FR for 4 days. So we have around 12 days. So what we will do, we will divide these 12 days in 6 subjects. So that comes to around 2 days per subject revision. 2 days revision. Okay, so we have to revise the entire. So what we have done up till now is we have what we will do, okay, what we will do is we will study FRN audit by 31st August, and then again revise audit in 2 days, and then we will start with SFM and law. We will complete SFM and law by 18 September, then we will revise law by 2 days, so that comes to around 20th September. Then for next 25 days we will study DT, IDT and AMA for 25 days, so that comes to around 15 days, 15th of October, and then till 15th of October to 25th of October, that is around 10-11 days, we will study all these subjects like FR, SFM and AMA again, SFM and AMA again, and then the remaining time will be given to DT, IDT, audit and law. Okay, so if you see na, DT, IDT, audit, law will be revised thrice. So yes, these 12 days now we will revise DT again also. Okay, so there is no separate revision time. So this is our major strategy which we have I have defined. Coming back to audit, now I told you now audit will take little more time than expected. Why? Because we what we planned here in standards now, we were supposed to complete it by 20 hours. Company audit we have already completed by 20 hours, and I think it is practically you have also done this. Types of audit will be completed in 10. These all topics will be completed in 10. This professional ethics, now this is what I wanted to tell you. This professional ethics, it won't require 10 hours, and even if it requires 10 hours, we will give 10 slots of 1 hour each. Yesterday I told you to start professional ethics and take start with professional ethics and take 2 slots of 5 hours each, but today I am going to update you. Yes, this was my old preparation target for you to study professional ethics on 18th of August and 19th of August. Okay, but we are not going to study this slot from today. What we are going to do is we are going to start standards on auditing. So sir, what about this professional ethics? We have not completed professional ethics. What should we do? What we will do is we shall give it 5 slots of say half an hour to 1 hour daily for next 4-5 days, when we were supposed to complete the standards, entire standards in 5 slots. So I have given you 1 2 3 4 5 slots. Okay, so 5 slots, and we will complete professional ethics with that only. So coming back to this, coming to my new slots now. So this is new slots. One more thing, if you want these PDFs, you can ask me through mail at bhilwara.ca.gurukul@gmail.com. Okay, and even if you want any else strategy for any other subjects, now you can ask me here. I have made plans for law and SFM. For law, I have published it on Quora. The link I have mentioned in the descriptions. And for SFM, if you want the PDFs of the slots, you can ask me through mail. Okay, coming back to this new slot which I have made for 19th of August. So what we will do is we will start with these SAs. We will start with standards. Now talking about standards, it has many questions. Do you know how many standards are there in our syllabus for November 2020? Around 30. Now sir, where is 800 series? My dear, 800 series SRE and SRS and SAEs are all removed from our syllabus for November 2020. So we don't have to study that. But sir, what about SQC? SQC is in the syllabus, so you have to complete that. Now talking about essay, which essays we are going to complete today? This is the day. You can see this is the day I have made. So day 1 we will study first essay 200, then essay 210, then essay 220, and then SQC. This is here. Okay, then SQC, and then essay 230, and then this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. These 6 essays we are going to study today. So 6 essays on one day? Yes, because these are elementary essays. You don't have to do. What you have to do is you have to watch revision lectures of these India's revision lectures at 2x speed. 2x speed will take around 1.5 hours of today's slot. Okay, and then what you have to do is you have to read questions in this sorry, I say 200 has two questions. 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5, so it is around, I have written here, I have written it. Yes, it is 21 questions, total 21 questions, which will take around 4 hours. Sir, how? 21 questions into 10 minutes? Okay, let's take 15 minutes. So 21 into 15 is 5 hours roughly, I guess. Na? 21 into 15 is 315 divided by 60. So that is 5 hours, roughly 5 hours, but we have to try to complete it in 4 hours. So this is today's target. What we have to do, we have to study essay 200, essay 210, essay 220, then essay SQC 1, then essay 230, and then essay 299. So we will cover 6 standards on auditing and 5 standards on auditing and 1 SQC today. Okay, hope you're getting my point. So you can watch revision lectures, you can watch revision video of whoever you want. I am not suggesting any teacher, but there are many teachers present in the market, so like there are many options available. You have to choose according to your preference. So this is today's target, what we are going to study today. I'll summarize it here. FR we are going to study Ind AS 12 and Ind AS 21, 12 questions each, so it will take around 6 to 7 hours only. So we have little spare time left here from FR slot, so we will devote that extra time to audit. So we will study essay 200, 210, 220, SQC 1, then 230, and then 299. Okay, 299. We have roughly around 21 questions to cover. Now I have made a separate video on how to study standards. Like there are many charts available, there are many question banks available, there are many books available, but actually how we have to study, like even if you pick up the institute module, that is StudyMat, you can revise from that also, but the technique you should know how to revise the technique, like how to revise the standard quickly in like around 2 hours, all 6 essays in 2 hours. The technique you should know. So I have made a separate video on how to study, how to quickly revise the standards on auditing. So you can find that video in the I button above. Okay, so this is the today's target. I am resting my today's lecture here. With this today's target, it will take around somewhere around 5 to 7 hours. Okay, so this is minimum, it will take around 12 to 13 hours. I am not writing here as 15 because this is, so this is today's target. And plus what you have to do is you have to study 1 hour in PE, half an hour you can say. Professional ethics, you can attempt around 10 questions daily. Okay, so that way it won't take around more to tell. So yes, you can say it will cover around 11 to 13 hours. Hope you guys are actually liking these videos, and I just wanted to know whether these videos are actually beneficial for you or not, and what updates you need from my side. I have made this entire slots of 18 slots of FR. Same way I have made for audit also, like I have made the further slots also till 24th of August. So what you have to do is, if you want, you can ask me. You have to not go through the last revision video, and this is the standards questions of Pankaj Garg scanner. So you can use Pankaj Garg scanner only. I have taken question from Pankaj Garg scanner only. So now here I end my video. with a thank you note that students are actually few students are coming to me that, sir, your videos are helpful, now guide us more. So please, I just wanted to tell you that these videos, even if these are not as much helpful, but my mentoring program, that what I do personally one-to-one basis, na, that is really helpful and it is really achieving fruitful results. Students are achieving fruitful results. So I just wanted to request you all to share this video with your friends, CA community members, so that if they are in need of online mentoring, or if they are need to like have guidance on one particular subject or any of the particular group or any of the particular topics, then they can actually benefit from my help. Thanking you, Rishi Rishabh Jain.